Hi, and welcome back to this course. In this video, we will look at application of data science in various domains. Let us start that by doing a small puzzle. On the next slide, I will show you two pictures. You have to point out the differences in the two pictures. Here we go. Look at these two pictures and let me know what differences do you see. The first difference you might have spotted is the product list on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. In one picture you see smartphones and in the other you see watches. The second difference you might have noticed is the advertisement in the right hand corner of the screen. Again, one picture shows computer accessories while the other one shows laptops. Why do you think these products and advertisements are different in the two screens? In order to answer this question, I would like you to look at the sign-in area carefully. Do you see any difference? Well, if you noticed carefully, the user is signed in the snapshot on the right hand. The difference in the two snapshots is because of the personalization and recommendation happening on Amazon site. This is one of the popular applications of data science called recommendation systems. Basically, Amazon is collecting data about user behavior and using it to recommend more relevant product to its users. Hence, the advertisements being shown to the user are personalized and are based on their past behavior. Let us now look at a few more applications of data science in various domains. How do you think social networking sites like Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter suggest you whom to follow and who might be your friend? Well, they apply data science. Starting from simple rules like which place do you belong to who are your friends and who are your friends of friends, what are your interest areas. All of these data points help social media companies recommend you who might be your friend and what would you want to follow. A few more examples of applications of data science on social media sites include placement of various advertisements to optimize the revenue or performing sentiment analysis about what the users are saying. So the next time you are served an advertisement on any of these sites, remember it was based on the recommendations and the data science and machine learning at the backend to come out with the recommendation that this advertisement should be served to you. Let us look at another domain, banking. How do you think banks decide how much credit can be given to which customer? Well, you would have guessed the answer already. It's by using data science. Banks take information from credit bureau about how applicants have behaved on credit products in past. This includes credit cards, home loans, mortgages, etc. to decide how much credit can they offer you. A typical bank looks at hundreds of data points about an applicant before taking a decision about their credit. What else do you think banks can use data science for? Banks also use data for detecting fraud transactions in real time. Every transaction you do with your bank gets analyzed in real time to check if it looks fishy. If it does, the system highlights these transactions and you get a phone call from your bank asking if you have done those transactions. Similarly, banks use data science to perform anti-money laundering on its transactions. Where is the money coming from? What is the source of income? Etc. are some of the questions which the bank tries to answer using data science. Banks also use data science to determine the right price point for its customers. What should be the competitive interest rate for a particular customer? Or how much APR can the bank charge before losing the customer? These are some of the ways banks use data science. Let us look at another domain, e-commerce. How do these e-commerce sites suggest you the right products? Well, we saw that in some of the previous slides. They use recommendation engine, which in turn uses past data from the customer behavior happening on the site. In addition to this, e-commerce sites use data science to optimize discounts on various products, defining their cross-sell and upsell strategies. So which product can be upsold or cross-sold to a particular customer, and creating demand forecasts for each item so that their inventories can be managed in the system. Now, I'm pretty sure you're getting a hang of the impact data science is creating in our day-to-day life. Let us look at another domain, this time search engines. So, how do you think Google or Bing is able to serve you the best results on your search query from billions and billions of web pages out there? And they take just a few milliseconds to serve those results. All these search engines apply machine learning and data science to come out with the best results in a matter of few seconds. In a lot of sense, it was these search results who started applying data science at big data scale. In addition to this, search engine also uses data science to improve ad placements in the search results and serve you personalized search results. Now, I can go on and on with these applications in today's world, but that is not the idea behind this course. We wanted to give you a flavor of these applications so that you can understand the impact of data science in real life. In summary, any domain you pick today, it is using data science to solve specific problems and make things better for everyone involved in the ecosystem. More importantly, this demand to apply data science to solve real life problems is only increasing with time. Hope this gets you excited about the chapters coming your way. Looking forward to see you in the next videos. Thank you.